Uh, Friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Hassan Evans. If you're following me, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and also comment. So today I want us to look at how to create a report card as a class teacher. Report card, we make it in Excel. So without wasting time, we can go and open our Excel and I'll prepare it. This is our Excel that we are going to use to perform some calculations. As we can see, this one is a number of my pupils. These are their names. And then these are the marks for mathematics. These are marks for social studies, science, and then English. And this is their totals that they are going to have. But as well, I can remove these totals so that we do a fresh. Now we are going to show the total of this. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this cell and make it to be active. Then after clicking on it, we press on equal sign and then we write sum. After writing sum, we open our bracket. We open our bracket. Then after opening our bracket, we shall come and click on which values are we going to insert. Which values are we going to add. So we shall come and click on here. And then we highlight all of it up to where we are going to add. We do like that, then we press enter. As we can see, it is now appearing 310 for the 4 subjects. What should I do? I should not also come here and then I make calculations, but what I should do is that I just copy this to the entire page like that. Now as we can see, those are our values that we are having. If I make a change here, like this, maybe I'm making it to be on the 800, you see that it also changes the total. And that is how we can find the total of these calculations. Now let us also see how we can perform on average. So we shall come and click on this cell, we make it active. We press on equal sign. Then after pressing equal sign, we write average. We write average. That is our average. Then after writing average, we shall open bracket. Then we say we are going to start from where up to where. We are going to look at the average of this up to where? Up to here. Like that. We shall come and then we press on enter. As you can see, it is already giving us the average. I should not again come here, then I press on the same formula. But I just come here and then I copy it. I copy the whole formula. I copy that formula like that. And that is how we can find the average. So we are going to see how we are going to find the position of these here learners of mine. I am coming here and then I click on his and make that cell to be active. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to write an equal sign. Then after equal sign, I write run. I write run. write run, then I open bracket, then I open bracket. So after now opening bracket, we now see we are going to run using what? Are we going to use average? Are we going to use total? But for this case, it is good for us to use average. It is good for us to use average. So we shall use this average. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are saying that we are going to run using average, and average is located with H. So what we are going to do is that we shall press H2. We shall come and click on here like that. So you see what it is giving us. Then after that, we write a comma. Now as we write comma, we also write the dollar sign. The dollar sign. After writing now the dollar sign, I again write, I'm going up to where? I'm going from H2 up to H11. So what you do is that after the dollar, you press on 11 like that. Then after also pressing and that is how I can read out. And we should never forget to close the bracket. Then after that we press enter. After that we press enter. As we can see, it is now giving us our position. Now after that we just click on here for all of it, and that is how we can find we are positioned using the formula called run. Now we are seeing that 75 is having position 6, and then the highest one is having 88.7, which is position 1. Now I'm going to comment on this. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come there. Then after I will come and write equal sign. Then I write if I open bracket, if. Now what I'm going to use is that I'm going to use the total. I'm going to use the total, the average to comment. I'm going to say that is H2. If H2 is greater or equal to is greater or equal to let me say 40 is greater or equal to 40. Then we put comma. Then what is going to be our condition? So we have to open our quotation. We have to open our quotation.